Where are you going? Are you going turkey hunting? Where's the turkeys? Where's the turkeys? Are they out there? Are you going to go turkey hunting? Clara, sit down. Good girl. You going to go turkey hunting? You got your camo on? You got your Carhartts on? She's got her shoes on? You got your critter shoes on? What else you got? What you got? You got a hat? What's this hat? What's that say? Yeah. Is that Mama's hat? Can you put it on?
Yeah.
Where's Clara? Where'd she go? There she is. Where's Clara? There she is. Is that the chimes out there? What's today? Is today May 5? May 5. Can I have the hat? Thank you. Mama's going to put it on. Can you say hi? Can you clap? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Can you clap some more? Clap your hands. Yay! Where's the turkeys? Where are the turkeys? Where's the turkeys? Are they outside? You see them? Where's the chimes? You big girl? Yay, Clara. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye.